subscribe. So we're at Zcon. We're at Zcon. And I'm over here with a friend of mine. She's over there doing YouTube. So proud of her. But we are in Alabama at Zcon 2022. Again, it's my first time. I'm super excited because I don't think I filmed an event for you guys like in a long time. So yeah, I'm super excited. I want to get as much content for you guys that I can because when it comes to events, I'm like literally all over the place. But yeah, so I think I'm gonna go ahead and start walking around because it's starting to get really packed. And yeah, so today should be fun. Oh no, they didn't. Okay, let's walk around. Oh my god. To see a G? What the hell? Look at that! Soho Motorsports. That's wild. Just to see like a parachute on a G. Like, what if that was my car, dude? Oh my god. Oh, I could never. Let's see the red one. I'm a huge fan of the red one. Damn. What the hell? Dude, look at the interior. What the hell? It's so nice. Damn. Very different. I must say. Shit, we have to come over here. This one has a big old wing. Damn. Look at this shit. Recaro seats. What the hell? This thing is gutted. Inside and out. I would really like to know what is going on here. Alright, so I actually was thinking about getting this wing for my car. Not this one specifically, but I was looking into APR because I did find one that interested me, but we shall see because I don't know. And the fact that it's carbon fiber too makes it that much more better. Because I don't want like an obnoxious one like I think my boyfriend had. But I don't know, he's trying to convince me to do like a trunk mount. But I want to do like a chassis. And I'm just like, I don't know. I have to weigh out my options and see. Oh, this is a cool shot right here. You got all the Nissan booties. They thick. So I'm looking for more of this kind of fitment, but of course it would be lower, just something flush, nothing too crazy. This would be perfect. Oh, this is so cute. I love this color actually. Like, this is so cute. Sweet couple that owns this Z. I love it. The classics you could just never miss, but these are so nice. I'm gonna take their picture.
Open or shut?
Shut.
Shut, yeah.
Oh, they're so cute. Oh, they're so sweet. This is so cool. Look what we got here. Dang. So the finish of this wheel is what I'm trying to get, but if I can't do that, then silver or what was the other color? Polished works fine too. Damn, look at this shit. A whole raccoon.
Did we get up here from here?
What the fuck? No, I think there's elevators somewhere. So we're taking a little break from being out in the humidity. We're actually in the mall because I gotta pee. I gotta pee video. So now we're here waiting for like to hold the spots for the Soho Motorsports tent because again, freaking security wanted to be a dick and make everybody move when they already had their stuff set up, so yeah. made it back to La Casa. Wait, fuck, there's like got dirty. I got my man looking on here. Oh, you're so funny. I'm tired. Very tired. Why'd you take it off?
Like so I'm about to lay back. You think I'm insecure? I don't give a
No, look at him. He looks so good. Got the fresh haircut, the fresh eyebrows did. But I had so much fun. It was great to see our friends that left us, unfortunately, to go do better things. But yeah, I missed them. But it's so cool because it's like when you have good friends, you can literally just pick up where you left off, and that's exactly what happened. Like, we were just having a great time, and unfortunately, I got no friends.
Damn.
Those are all like the friends that
Lame
I
ass
have.
girl.
Stop.
Don't worry, it'll get better.
Stop. No, this man's literally my only friend.
Nah, that's not true.
Yes, it is. Yeah, stop making that face. Anyways, I had super fun. It was my first time at Zcon, as I have stated in the beginning of the video, but it was so fun. It just made me want to buy a Z even more now because I just got to see like the different generations of Zs, and for once it didn't look like a Nissan dealership like a lot of the local meets that I've been going to, and it was awesome. But it was very nice, very humid. Cannot say I'm a fan of the Alabama weather, but the roads I'm a huge fan of. Very straight, very clean, unlike these freaking Atlanta roads that be having like ladders and couches on the roads. But yeah, I had fun. What about you, babe? Did you have fun?
Oh, it was dope, man. I got to chill you and your Dizzy's point of view, if y'all don't know, and it was pretty lit. And to be honest, like, it felt pretty cool because there was a crap ton of really cool builds. Like, usually it's like somewhat decent, but nah, this was fire. So I thought it was dope. Soho's cars were A1.
Yes, like I was looking at the G35 that they had because for the most part it was just all Z's. And damn, is my lash going off? What the fuck? And
Damn, looking busted on camera. Damn.
Talking about me, babe. Okay, anyways,
You don't gotta put me down like that.
I'm just kidding. That G, like, I was like, damn, because I want to get it to like, I guess, an amount of power where I could just like drive it comfortably, but not to that extent. Like, that G was making way too much. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next one. Say bye, babe. Bye.